We are here with Landon from Yamas Controls, who is going to explain to us how they use the SureFi units for emergency mustering locations, as well as controlling access to chemical buildings and peripheral locations.
Hey, my name is Landon Homestead. I'm with Utah Yamas Controls, working here at Dannon. We have remodeled their entire access control and surveillance system, and we used some SureFi wireless bridges for mustering for emergencies and also some gates, and they were extremely useful in doing so. Saved us a lot of money, a lot of labor, just to get that working as fast as possible. So here we've got an evacuation muster point with a solar panel that's just charging up some batteries, and our reader and muster point.
What's that?
So in the case of emergency, we get a muster report on who is on site, and then as people come and badge in, it signifies that they're safe to emergency responders. Yeah, that's just powering up the reader and the SureFi wireless bridge for evacuation purposes.
This concept of mustering locations and using existing access control systems to verify safety is being applied across multiple applications. These are used in large factories as well as educational and hospital facilities. Adding these effective safety measures is extremely easy using the SureFi weakened wireless encrypted I/O unit.
So here, in this particular case, it's a remodel, and we have no idea how this old access system was getting connected to the rest of the plant. This is just a standalone building with a chemical room on the fire pump house. So we needed this card reader on the new system ASAP, and we didn't want to waste time finding cables, finding pathways, or anything like that. So that was the easiest way, and it worked really well. So it is extremely useful for remodels like this place. We don't know what cables are going where the conduits are going. It's just really nice for eliminating having to run new cable. It's awesome that way.
I asked Landon how much effort and time this group of SureFi units saved him on this project.
Probably like 12 hours of labor just tracking out where these conduits or cables are going, and then if we had to pull new cable, that would probably be around about 12 hours, because this whole place has been a maze. It's been absolutely amazing.